Kids call it morning at the train yard. A friendly blue engine had an important job. He needed to deliver supplies quietly and carefully. With help from his friends, the journey was smooth. The town was happy and peaceful. Another great day for the friendly ages. Safe and free, kids calm and music. Soft, happy ukulele kids. Pixabe music. Mixkit, YouTube audio library. It was a quiet morning at the train yard.